Hi-Tek Construction specializes in building and infrastructure construction. One strategic project that we embarked on was the redevelopment of Singapore's national landmark NS Square. We recycled the waste generated from demolishing of the existing building and reused several materials in the new project. The key challenge we faced was the complexity of calculating embodied carbon emission for various recycled products when accounting for the project's total carbon emissions for the year. Creating the sustainability report was certainly not an easy task, as it was our first time. We were able to churn out the data from our project, taking approximately 2 weeks to complete. Even with no specific sustainability personnel within the team, the digital platform provided us an automated, guided, and simple way to calculate our carbon emissions across Scope 1 to 3. I was pleasantly surprised at how the ESGpedia platform enables us to digitally streamline the entire process of creating a sustainability report. The strong support from the ESGpedia team helped us successfully launch our first sustainability report in record time, meeting our timeline to upload and publish the sustainability report on our website.
We are a Singapore-based private company specializing in HDB BTOs and HIP projects. We oversee various projects which include 3 BTO projects. We have been utilizing productivity technologies such as robotic for internal unit spray painting.
One challenge we face is the calculating carbon emission produced by the robots, energy consumption of entire process, and other related environmental impacts. Creating our first sustainability report on ESGpedia was seamless, thanks to the platform structure and efficient consolidation of all sustainability and ESG-related data. ESGpedia have efficiently simplified the tracking, management, and reporting of sustainability metrics for all our 2024 construction projects. We have enhanced our attractiveness and competitiveness in our project tenders with ESGpedia as our sustainability reporting partners. This leads to higher success rate in securing projects, especially those with ESG requirements. Sustainability will continue to be important to our journey, guiding our decision, adopting new technology to reduce carbon emission, achieving ESG excellence, and ensuring compliance.
We are one of Singapore's leading construction companies, known for our expertise in interior fit-out of commercial office spaces. Having close to 40 years of experience in project and construction management, we struggle with inconsistent data formats from our subcontractors and suppliers as they use different systems. Some of them aren't motivated to report data, or they lack the resources and tools. We engage ESGpedia to calculate the embodied carbon emissions of our recent refurbishment projects for large corporate entity in the financial sector. We invited our business partners to input data such as emissions generated from repurposed furniture and fittings, recycled materials, diesel consumptions, to compile into a project-level greenhouse gas emission report. Calculating carbon emissions was seamless as emissions factors were automatically mapped and existing environmental product declarations were used to ensure efficient and accurate carbon footprint assessment. We work with ESGpedia to calculate emissions and generate reports to bring awareness through training for our business partners. It has boosted our confidence in sustainability and engaging with clients with solutions and results to demonstrate our commitment in sustainability to stakeholders. With growing focus on sustainability from client and government, circular economy practices could be crucial. ESGpedia has empowered us on our sustainability journey by providing centralized, real-time access to ESG metrics, enabling cost-effective compliance and scalable solutions to solidify our positions as industry leaders.
We are a construction company focused on mainly industrial building projects. Our typical projects range from advanced manufacturing industry 4.0 industrial facilities to high-spec warehouses, clean room and semicon facilities, as well as traditional industrial building. Additionally, we also have a precast business unit which provides prefabrication solutions. Our first challenge was collecting data from previous years, involving the tracing of emails, compilation of data into error-prone Excel spreadsheets, and the subsequent formatting of this data for analysis. The ESGpedia platform simplifies this process by enabling our upstream vendors to input their consumption data directly, resulting in a significant reduction in the man-hours required for review and collation. We are tracking our Scope 3 emissions on ESGpedia's platform for several projects, such as Tuasport, for the first time, and the platform has made it easy to categorize carbon emissions, even breaking them down into the 15 subcategories. By enabling upstream vendors to input data directly, the platform provides insights into our project's environmental impact, allowing us to identify areas for organizational improvement and implement carbon reduction strategies for future projects. Having project-level reports will provide valuable insights and guide our next steps, which we are excited to embark on. ESGpedia's ESG data platform serves as a single source of truth to streamline sustainability reporting. We foresee that the harmonization and tracking of ESG data will eventually put us in a better position in future tenders, due to an increased focus by developers on builders' sustainability.
In 1992, Teambuild Construction specializes in residential, institutional, and industrial projects. We pride ourselves on being an innovation-driven organization, and we continuously seek new ways to improve construction processes through technology, robotics, and automation. Our main challenge was efficiently gathering and leveraging sustainability data from various projects and partners. The lack of industry benchmarks hindered our ability to effectively track and manage environmental impact. Before adopting ESGpedia, we managed sustainability reporting and carbon accounting using Excel. This not only required substantial man-hours, but also increased the likelihood of errors and inconsistencies in our reports. Teambuild manages several residential projects. One challenge Teambuild faces is collecting data across multiple projects, complicated by the need to coordinate with numerous subcontractors and suppliers. ESGpedia has empowered us to streamline our carbon accounting process and manage sustainability reporting more effectively. With ESGpedia's co-branded portal, we can now actively engage our contractors as well as collect and track their data, reducing the need for manual data entry and allowing for real-time updates as well as comprehensive full value chain reporting. Sustainability is integral to our business ethos, and ESGpedia will continue to play a crucial role by supporting our business in ensuring compliance with global sustainability standards. The enhanced accuracy in carbon footprint calculation has provided us a deeper understanding of our company's environmental impact, enabling more efficient practices and fostering a culture of transparency and accountability in our operations.
Kimley Construction is a well-established Singapore-based construction company known for its expertise in residential, commercial, and institutional building projects. The 350-strong company has built a strong reputation for delivering high-quality developments and has been involved in numerous iconic public, housing, and private sector projects. We observed low sustainability awareness across the entire value chain, from developers, consultants, main contractors to subcontractors and their suppliers, leading to misalignments on expectations. At times, there can be difficulties in seeking sustainability-related data from different departments and projects. This can be due to internal stakeholders viewing its sustainability as a nice-to-have. This can in turn affect the timeliness and quality of the sustainability reports. ESGpedia co-branded portal allows us to create a customized landing page to actively engage our contractors in tracking and managing their carbon emissions. This streamlines the process of empowering subcontractors to calculate their emissions, from onboarding and data collections to monitoring, overall helping us to gain better visibility and manage our full value chain emission. Platform's Scope 3 calculator provided comprehensive calculations of our supply chain emissions in accordance with the GHG protocol, enabling us to take further actions to decarbonize. Kimley Construction hosted our first sustainability workshop for our supply chain partners last year. The workshop engaged partners in understanding the ESG landscape, with speakers like DBS Bank, Climate Asia, ESGpedia. We look forward to working closely with ESGpedia to empower our supply chains. Our goal is to meet the sustainability reporting deadline for 2027, embark on creating reports for project-level carbon emissions, as this is a requirement by many clients for their projects. Sustainability is a challenging journey requiring strong cooperation from every stakeholder in this complex supply chain ecosystem, and ESGpedia has been instrumental in bridging this gap.
Wee Hur Construction is a BCA registered contractor. We have 5 ongoing projects. The company undertakes various types of construction projects such as residential, commercial, industrial, and conservation projects.
Access to subcontractors' sustainability data was a key challenge because many of them didn't see the benefit of this type of record-keeping approach.
We collected data on water, electricity, and construction waste before using ESGpedia. Found that some data are missing from our manual records. ESGpedia helped us to determine what type of data to collect for Scope 3 purchase goods and gain better insights into carbon emission, which will provide a very useful track record for the company in decision-making process. ESGpedia allows us to monitor company carbon emission in real time and compile annual and monthly data for ESG reporting and comparison. Gathering and uploading Scope 1 and 2 data to the platform took approximately 3 months. Collecting Scope 3 purchase goods data from subcontractors took us just over 2 months. Sustainability will continue to influence our journey with Wee Hur, now having access to more reliable data.